It's among the fiercest fighting of this war so far. What the soldiers here call the meat grinder. The enemy is just a few meters away, just the distance it takes to throw a grenade. These pictures from Ukraine's armed forces show their troops taking a Russian trench and then hunting down any survivors. In this skirmish, the Ukrainians are victorious, but in the battle for Bakhmut, the casualties on both sides have been enormous. So in these snow-covered fields of eastern Ukraine, the war is shifting again. The ground is frozen, but the front line is moving. These missiles are aimed at Russians who are changing their tactics and slowly taking territory.
The Ukrainians will need more than grit and determination to win this battle. They have been drawn into a long-running fight with the Russians here that's sapping their resources against an enemy that one soldier said seems to have more of everything right now.